1-10. Jeanette wants to challenge you to a toothpick and tiles game, described in problem 1-8. Using exactly 4 tiles, solve her challenges below. Justify your answers with pictures and labels. This is the link for you to go and explore the electronic tool. So E2 means you could work on it with the computer. And also there is a link for homework help that you could also go to by clicking on it. A. Create a tile pattern where the number of toothpicks is exactly double of the number of tiles. So we are given only 4 tiles. The challenge is to use what we learned in 1-8 in class so that you can make a tile pattern, so create the tile pattern by drawing where the number of toothpicks is exactly double the number of tiles. This refers to when you have 1 tile, then the number of toothpicks are the number that are around. 1 toothpick, 2, 3, and 4. If I had 2 tiles, then the number of toothpicks around will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is in reference to problem 1-8. So once again, I'm given 4 in this problem, so 4 tiles, and our job is to draw them so that we could or create the tile pattern to where the toothpicks are exactly double. Now if I have 4 tiles, the toothpick doubling needs to be then 8. Double means times 2. So if I count the toothpicks around, I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is not double. So go ahead and think about it. Pause the video, go back and create your own shape of 4 tiles. So you could, put them in whatever shape you would like to try it. This is like a T shape, but would that make sense to have the toothpicks around, and that refers to actual perimeter, be exactly 8. So pause the video and do it yourself. I'm going to read the directions for B. Create a tile pattern where the number of toothpicks is more than double the number of tiles. So with this example, when you have 4 tiles, you want to create that tile pattern with 4 of them, but the number of toothpicks needs to be more than double. So double was 8, so more than means 9, 10, and on. So pause the video and try all that on your own. I'm sure you can create creative patterns.